Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Sweet Tooth from How to Train Your Dragon as a Labubu doll. So first we're going to get started with the top of the head, and we're going to start with a small curved line in the center. For the horns on either side, we're going to curve this down, ending that at the same height. Now from here we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches across. Now let's draw in the rest of the head. So as we leave a small gap, we're going to curve this back down on the right, and then we're going to do the same on the left, and we're going to end this so it ends at roughly the same height. Let's draw the ears up above. So on the outside, we're going to curve this line up and then down. Now from here, we're going to curve this out, back in. We're going to bring a small diagonal line that comes down in the center, and then again arching that out and then back in. And then one last time to close this off, just bringing our diagonal line down towards the top of the head. In the center now, we're going to draw in a small oval, so we're going to curve this around and then through towards the top, dropping below that, replicating that, just making this smaller. And then as we come down one last time, we're just going to make that even smaller. Now moving down just below that for the nose, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And then we're going to draw in a sesame seed shape for the nostril on a diagonal on both sides. Now let's draw in Sweet Tooth's eyes beside this. So starting to the right of the eye, we're going to curve this around, slope this down, and then we'll do the same on the left. And we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. We're going to close this off on the bottom now, curving this down on a diagonal and up. Now on the inside, we're going to arch this line around, back in towards the bottom. And then for the highlight, we're just going to draw in a diagonal oval on both sides. Now let's close off the bottom of the head. So coming down, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this around and then in. And then we'll do the same as we move over on the right, bringing that through. On the top right-hand side, curving this down. We'll do the same on the left. And then in the corner here, we're just going to curve this back around and then in on the bottom. Now let's move in and draw the Labubu's head. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, curving this around and in towards the center. And then starting back in the middle, we're going to continue to arch this line down and in on the right. Now let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line, bringing this all the way over and through. Drawing in some teeth now in the center, we're going to curve this line up. We'll move across on both sides and replicate that shape. And then now moving over again, we'll do that one more time. Now moving down for the eyes, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches down towards the bottom, leaving a gap, replicating that on the right. Moving underneath now for the eye, drawing in a nice big oval, connecting that on both sides. Now on the top, arching this around and then down. On the top portion here, drawing in an oval. Again, right in the middle. Now for the nose in the center, a small curved line. And then we're going to close that off on the bottom with an arch line from left to right. For the mouth now, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line again, stretching this all the way up and over on both sides. And then like we did in the top for the teeth, we're going to replicate that on the side. So starting in the middle, we're going to curve one out on the left and right. And then we're just going to follow that pattern as we move all the way up on both sides. Now from here, let's come down and draw on the body. So for the arms, we're going to curve two lines that come down. We're going to draw in a zigzag pattern, drawing in 3 small triangles as we come across on both sides. Now for the body, curving this line down on the left and right hand side, ending that at the same height. In the center now, curving this over, and then on the inside, just curving this down on both sides. On the outside portion now, curving this out and then down. And then again, just closing this off with another zigzag pattern, making sure we have 3 points as we come across. Now let's draw on the hand. So for the thumb, bringing this over and in. And then again, drawing in a zigzag pattern, moving across and then in. For the feet, we're going to curve 2 lines from the inside coming down, moving over on the outside, replicating that. And then from here, just another zigzag pattern coming across. And that is it. That's how you draw Sweet Tooth as a Labubu doll. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.